Good morning, children. Welcome to IIT Maths online classes. I think all of you regularly following my videos. Today, I am going to explain trigonometry ratios table. In the previous videos, we learned about what is trigonometry, what is the angle, types of angles, how to measure the angles, the systems of the measurement of angles. Next, we learn the definition of 6 trigonometric ratios. Are you understood? Okay, very good. Today, we learn trigonometric ratios table. So, we already know angles, about angles. Once again, remember the definition. What is an angle? If two rays have an initial point, they formed an angle, okay? Or the rotational amount between two rays is called an angle. We learned already what is 0 degree angle, 30 degrees angle, that means acute angle, right angle, straight angle, reflect angle, complete angle, supplementary angles, complementary angles. So we already learned. Now in this lesson, we learn what is the value of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. So here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees are called standard angles. That means basically we are using these values to solve the trigonometric problems. By using these basic values, we can find the remaining values also. Understand? That's why 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 and 60 and 90 are called standard angles. Now we learn the trigonometric values of these standard angles. So, how to remember this table? I will explain to you what are the values and how to remember the table. So, all of you look at the board and observing. So, I will mention here degree 30 degrees, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay. Left side I will write trigonometric values. Sine. Next. Cos. Tan. Cosecant. Secant. Cot. Again. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So first of all, I give a whole number starting. What is the starting whole number? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now each value are divided by 4. Why? Because so right angle is equal to how many degrees, children? 9 degrees. A complete rotation containing how many right angles? 4 right angles. So like that remember, number of quadrants how many? 4. So that's why each one divided by 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Are understanding? First I will note down standard angle 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Left side written trigonometric ratios sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. That means sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Like that you remember. So come to our point. So I write starting whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now each one divided by 4. Okay, I am observing. Next, square root of fraction. Square root of 0 by 4, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 4 by 4. Now simplify 0 by anything what? 0. 1 by 4 square root means what? 1 by root 4. In nothing but 1 by 2. 2 by 4 are how much children? Very good. 1 by 2. Square root of square root of 2 means what? 1 by root 2. Next 3 by 4. So how to write? Root 3 by 2. Because square root of numerator by square root of denominator. Root 3 by 2. 4 by 4 will how much children? 1. So square root of 1 will how much? Only 1. So now we got sin 0 value 0, sin 30 value 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Okay. Now I will note down the values in a tabular form. So scissor on here. What we got it? Sin 0 value 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Next sin 90 1. Understood? Now cos theta. So here remember if theta mentioned here values. Now sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Now cos values. Okay. Now this first row tells the measurement of the angle. Column, leftmost column tells the trigonometric ratio names. Trigonometric ratio TR. This column trigonometric ratios. This row what explain? Values of the angle. Okay. Now once again remember sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Understood? Now come to second trigonometric ratio cos theta. So what is the cos theta? I already said to you. Cos full form complementary of the sin theta. Okay? What is the complementary angle? What is the complementary angle of 30 degrees? 60. I already explained to you. Complementary angle means the sum of the two angle gives 90. So that's why cos is the full form of complementary of sin theta. Now sin 0. What is the complementary of 0 degrees? 90. Very good. So sin 90 value is equal to what? Cos 0 value. 90 value how much we have in the table? 1. Okay. Next cos 30 value 1. What is the 30 degrees complementary? 60. So sin 60 you can see. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Next cos 45 what? Cos 45 what? Cos 45 means sin 45 is can see. Why? 45 degrees complementary angle is again 45. So this is the same 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is equal to cos 45 because 45 is complementary is 45. Next cos 60. 60 complementary what? 30 degrees. Now sin 30 you can see how much here? 1 by 2. Now write 1 by 2. Next cos 91. What is the complementary of 90 degrees? 0. Now sin 0 value how much? 0. Understand? I will say a small trick for you. Everyone must also remember sin values 0 to 90. Now how to remember remaining? Come to cos value. From right to left you can write here very easy. What the right value? 1 km. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 km. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 km. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 km. 0, 0, 8. So sin left to right values, if you change right to left, that is nothing but cos values. What interesting. Very good. Next come to tan theta. Remember trigonometric ratio definition. What is the tan theta meaning? Sin theta by cos theta. Now sin 0 how much? 0. 0 by 1? 0 by 1? 0. Okay. Now tan 30 we want. Okay, sin 30 by cos 30. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Denominator cancel. What is the value? 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45, sin 45 by cos 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root. How much children? 1. Very good. Next, tan 60 value 1. Tan 60 how to find? Sin 60 by cos 60. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. What is the value? Root 3. Next, tan 90. Sin 90 by cos 90. 1 by 0. Do you know 1 by 0 value? Very good. If any fraction, if the denominator is equal to 0, the fraction not defined, cannot exist, because denominator value not equal to 0. That's why 1 by 0 how to write? Not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Okay. Some textbook it can be written as like infinite symbol. That meaning not defined. Now cosecant theta. We already know the definition of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal for what children? Sin theta. Now sin values you can change numerator and denominator of the fractions. Actually sin 0 value what? 0 by 1. Now cosecant 0 value 1 by 0. Not defined. I write shortcut MD. Not defined. Next, cosecant 30. Sin 30 reciprocal. 1 by 2 reciprocal 1. 2 by 1 means 2. Cosecant 45. Sin 45 how much? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal. Root 2. Next, cosecant 16. Sin 60 reciprocal. 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 how much? 1. Very easy. But you must and should be remember complementary angle definition, trigonometric ratios definition. Understood? Now come to secant. Secant is very easy. Cosecant right to left to right. Otherwise, cos value is reverse. So cosecant right to left and right here. What is the rightmost value? 1. Next value 2 by root 3. Next value root 2. Next value 2. Next value not defined. Very easy na? Cosecant left to right is secant. Secant left to right is cosecant. Sin left to right is cos. Cos left to right value is sin. Now tan value we know. Now what is the cot value? Cot value is nothing but reciprocal of tan values. Okay. Now come to cot values. So cot values, cot is nothing but what? Reciprocal of tan value. Except tan 0 value what? Tan 0, 0. 0 by 1. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Next, cot 30. 1 by root 3 reciprocal of root 3 by 1 means root 3. Now cot 45. 1 by 1 how much? 1. Next, cot 60 value. Tan 60 what? Root 3. That means root 3 by 1. Reciprocal 1 by root 3. Okay. So once you remember your last value children. Cot 90. Cot 90 means what? What is the complementary of 90 degrees? 0. Tan 0 how much? 0. Okay. So these are the trigonometric ratios table standard angles for standard angles. I will write again all the trigonometric ratio table on the board. Observe. Now observe the complete table on the CDS. Is it visible to you? Okay. See all of you. Sin 0, 0, 30, 1 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 60, root 3 by 2, 90 value 1. Next, cos 0, 1, 30 value root 3 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 60 value 1 by 2, 90 value 1. Now come to tan values. 0, 0, 30 degrees 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 not defined. Now cosecant 0 value not defined, cosecant 30 value 2, cosecant 40 value root 2, cosecant of 60 2 by root 3, cosecant of 90 1. Next secant 0 value 1, secant 30 2 by root 3, secant 45 root 2, secant 60 2, secant 90 not defined. Now last value cot theta, cot 0 not defined, cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3, cot 90 0. So if you observe the entire table, what you are understanding? Values of sin and cos lies between 0 and 1, both included. Are observing here? Sin 0 0, cos 90 value 1, cos values 1 to 0. Very important. Okay? Are understood what I explained today topic? So you can please watch the video 2 or 3 times, pause it, zoom in and write it on a running notebook. Thank you.